Today I'm going to make LA Galbi with Coca Cola. Yay! You have to wash this first. I'm going to put half of this Coke in here. And you want to soak in this water for about 3 hours. So I'll be back after 3 hours. 150 milliliter of soy sauce. 200 milliliter of Coca Cola. Half a pear. In you go. 1 onion. 2 large scoops of garlic. 1 large scoop of ginger jam. I'm going to mix this now. Oopsie. It's been about 2 hours and I'm gonna wash this. It's very important to take the blood out. That's the key to making a very tasty LA Galbi. I do this for my family so that they can have really tasty LA Galbi in this holiday season. So this is the plastic that I took the galbi out from. I'm just gonna put it back in series. You want to put in the sauce that we made. Put the 국물. Let it all soak in. You need at least about 12 hours to marinate it before you eat it, so I'll have it tomorrow. This is the LA Galbi and it has been about 24 hours, so let's see it. It smells good. So we're gonna have LA Galbi and Soondubu Jjigae today. Spray some oil. You must use low heat. Oh my god, my stomach is growling. Okay, perfect. It needs to caramelize a little bit. Just need to cut this. Just small enough. So now, while the LA Galbi is cooking a little bit more, I'm gonna make the soup. Vanilla oil, green onions, chili powder. Ooh, this is gonna be spicy. Oyster sauce, mushrooms, hot water. Garlic, shrimp. I put 6 so that Iceberg and I don't fight over the shrimps. And you put the sundubu in. It's time to put in the egg. Gonna put more green onions. boil it in high heat. 먹자. 물 줘. 보리차.
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다. 순두부.
맛있어? 맛있다.
와우, amazing. 토fu. 내가 한 거야.
맛있어.
맛있어?
진짜 맛있다.
내가 했다.
그런 거 같아.
양념부터 다. 대박이지. Cheers. 보리차 cheers.
Cheers.